A 10-day football coaching camp has been organized by Pakistan to Germany study with an ambition to enable Karachi youth get training from German coaches belonging to FC Union Berlin. Speaking at the opening ceremony held at Karachi United Club, CEO Pakistan to Germany study, Major General Shaukat Iqbal said that the endeavour was to provide footballers a chance to train and emerge in the international arena. Andrew, the founding director of EuroAsia, quoting FIFA, told that there were 3 million footballers in Pakistan. He said that they were here to teach some tricks used by German footballers. FC Union Berlin senior coach Sebastian noted that United was working like a professional club. Coach Olivier, musing that football was a global language, said that they were expecting to exchange techniques with Karachiites. Provincial Cultural Minister Syed Sardar Ali Shah hoped that training imparted by the German coaches would enormously help the youth. Speaking to NewspakistanTV, Major General Shaukat Iqbal said,
अभी इस वक्त फुटबॉल पाकिस्तान 203 नंबर पर है फीफा में, तो हम पहले 3 नंबरों में आ जाएं। और जर्मनी का क्योंकि फुटबॉल बहुत अच्छा है, सो उस वजह से हम जर्मनी के कोच यहाँ मंगा कर अपने बच्चों को फुटबॉल में ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं।
Andrew, the founding director of EuroAsia, held,
This is the first event of its kind, German soccer camp in Karachi. It's not as popular as cricket yet, but it's becoming more popular. And in Germany, it's the #1 sport, and we are trying to export some of the German sport culture.
German coaches, while talking to the NewspakistanTV, said,
We're talking about long term, and long term means not 2 weeks, but 20 years.
We saw a lot of good talent here, so we have to see what's happened.
Cultural Minister Syed Sardar Ali Shah held,
अच्छी बात है अगर इंटरनेशनल ट्रेनर्स यहाँ पे आए हैं इनको ट्रेन करने के लिए, तो ये सेहतमंद एक एक्टिविटी है जो बच्चे ट्रेन होंगे, सीखेंगे, वो आगे चल के फुटबॉल के हवाले से भी कोई अच्छे प्लेयर और अच्छी टीम बन सकती है.
Minister later opened the camp by kicking the football.